Hello there everyone, it's motor test of the week. A little bit late getting this episode out, but been a bit busy. And basically this week I'm going to be testing the EMAX RS2306 2750 kV motor, another drone racing motor. These are, it's quite good actually, because these have got free shipping even from the global warehouse. So if you just need to pick one of these up, you can order them. You don't have to pay any shipping, which is pretty good, which is what I did. So yeah, I thought I'd give one of these a go. They look pretty nice motors, pretty good reputation, these ones. So yeah, I thought I'd give them a go. It's got a hollow shaft and usual style mount and everything. Comes with two sets of screws and a nylon nut and another little screw that must be for going in the end of the shaft or something, I think. Not sure. So let's go down, have a look at the specs. It does have quite a big list of prop test data on this one, but I thought I'd still do my own test, even though it's already got pretty much, yeah, some decent data there for you. But it'd be worth comparing, see what results I get. Yeah, I mean, it says it can give over 1762 grams of thrust on a 4S battery, which is that's pretty crazy, really. Yeah, this one's a little bit heavier. It says it's 33.8 grams in weight and yeah, 28.3mm diameter, 3mm shaft, thread size is M5, and it says it's for 3 and 4 cell, but I may do something crazy on it and try it on 6 cells, see what happens. So unfortunately it doesn't actually give you any actual max amps and watts, like a lot of these motors, which I find really annoying. It doesn't actually say what the max amps and watts is, so you just go by what it has on the list here. Where's the most? I think it's the bottom one here. It says on the HQ5045 it's got 53.9 amps, 1482 grams of thrust, and yeah, 862.4 watts. So now that's pretty crazy. What's that? 29, just over 29,000 RPM. So if that's right, that's pretty crazy. So let's get it on the thrust stand and see what results I get. Okay, here we are. I've got a selection of props to try. The order I do them in might be a bit random, but I've just got a load here piled up, and I'll just see what I got and see what I want to try. First of all, I was going to try 3-bladed HobbyKing 5x4. I think it's a nylon prop, and give that a go, see what happens. I've got a Rhino 2250 milliamp 25C 3 cell plugged in, and I'm running it on a TURNIGY AE65 ESC. So let's see what we get on here, see how much we can prop up by. Crikey, that's very good on a 3 cell. Blimey. These must be quite torquey motors. 30.9 amps, 342 watts. So that turned that easily on a 3 cell. So let's see what it does on a 4 cell. Okay, same prop, and now I've got a Rhino 2250 milliamp 40C 4 cell in there now. Might be a bit big, but it's what I happen to have already pretty much charged. So let's see what we get here. Blimey. 6.5 amps, 675 watts. That does feel warm. Here's my temperature gauge. Hold on a minute. Can't find it. Let's. I'll test the temperature on the next test. Okay, here we are. This is an APC electric 6x4 prop, and I'm on 3 cell. So let's see what this does. Not bad. Kilo of thrust there on 3 cell. .41 amps, 441 watts. Alright, let's see what the temperature's like now. I've found my temperature gauge. Degrees C. Yeah, 33 degrees. Alright. So that was already quite high, that amp draw. Don't think I should try that on 4 cell. Let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a APC 6x4 gas prop, so it's meant for petrol engines. You'll be amazed at the difference of these gas props. And this is on the 3 cell as well. Let's test this on 3S. £200 more thrust there. And only 37 amps, 405 watts. So I think I may just give that a quick blast on 4 cell. So let's give that a go. Okay, this is same prop, 6x4 APC gas, and I'm on the 4 cell, so this is going to be interesting. Blimey. Ooh, 58 amps. What was that? 837 watts. Ooh, that made it a bit warm. Yeah, it's already up to 46 degrees there. Gone down a bit, 44. So yeah, that feels warm. That might be a bit much. Right, let's try another prop. Okay, going by the last test, I think the 6-inch props are too much for 4S, so I've got a couple more 6-inch props, but I'll only be testing them on 3S. So this is a TGS 6x4 sports prop. I'm on the 3S battery, so let's see what this does. The same as the APC gas. I did draw nearly 2 amps more though. Well, pretty much the same really. Alright. Let's try another gas prop. Sorry, let's try another 6-inch prop rather, I should say. Okay, this is a OCDAY 6x4.5 prop, and we're still on 3S. You get these on eBay. Maybe 6 amps. Yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, hope it's not warm. Alright, try another one. Okay, this is a HobbyKing 6050 bullnose prop. These are quite good. They put a lot of thrust but draw a lot of current. So let's switch the light on. Look at this one. That's pretty good. The 3S, but oh blimey. Yes, it does draw a lot of current. That's like 10 amps more than the other 6-inch props. It's a bit warm. Oh, let's just check the temperatures again. About 40 degrees there. It'll be alright on 3S. No way you could run that on 4S. Right, let's see what else we got. Right, I think the rest of the props I shall just test on 4-cell. I think this one is a DALPROP 5045, and I'm on the Rhino 4-cell. So let's see what thrust this gets. Well, hey. 37 amps, 538 watts. Not bad. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a diatone. Was it 5x4.5? So same as the last one. This is a bullnose prop. Blimey, yeah, put out more thrust. It also draws a lot more amps though. Good amount of thrust, but is it worth the what was that, like 10 or 11 amps more current draw on it? Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a GEMFAN 5045, and it says it's a bull nose, but it's those ones which aren't quite as bull nose. They've got a bit of a curve on them. So still on the 4 cell. Same as the DALPROP, really. About 1 amp less. Not bad. It's not really pushing the motor. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a TGS 5x5, so it's still on 4 cell. A bit less thrust there. .6 amps, basically 670 watts. So it's a bit less thrust, a bit more current draw, but on a plane this would probably be faster. But anyway, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a prop I've been wanting to try since I got some the other week. This is a GEMFAN 4.7x4. It's a high-speed prop. They're TURNIGY ones on HobbyKing. So if you get them from Banggood, they're GEMFAN. If you get them from HobbyKing, they're TURNIGY. Not bad results. That's right. Right, let's try the next prop. Okay, this is a DALPROP 4045 3-bladed bullnose prop on 4S. Only 40 amps, 603 watts. Still slightly warm. That's not bad. Let's try the next prop. Okay, now we have a GEMFAN 4045 3-bladed prop. About the same there, pretty much the same. Right, okay, I think after all that 4-cell testing, I'm going to see if I can actually put a 6-cell on this. It's only going to be a small 6-cell, but let's give it a go. Okay, now I'm doing the crazy thing and running it on 6-cell. I've got two 25C 1300 milliamp zippy compacts strapped together. You see I've got 2 there, and 85 volts. And just to be safe, I'm starting off very small with pretty much the smallest prop I've got, which is a 4045 GEMFAN carbon reinforced nylon prop. It's these really thin sport style ones. It's an amazing prop for its size. So yeah, I'm going to try running this on 6 cells. Let's see what we get here. Oh, it's loud. Only 29 amps. And what was that? 609 watts. Should be. Whoops. Knock something off the desk there. Is, what was that? 37 degrees a second ago. 36. So it's dropping. And it's 15.8 degrees. 15.6 in here at the moment. So let's see if I can go up a prop size. Okay, it's not too much of a prop size gain, but I know this will draw quite a bit more current. So let's see how this goes. It's a TGS 4.1 by 4.1 sports prop, and I'm still on the 6 cells. Let's have a look. A bit more thrust there. £2 amps. Only 709. Was that 700? 789 watts. It's got the 40 degrees. Looking bad. Right, I'll try one more prop. Okay, this is a quad prop. It's a 40-45, but as you can see here, I rounded the edge off. That's what they originally like, and I've rounded the edge off, and I know it does reduce the thrust a little bit, but it also reduces the current quite a bit as well. So I thought I'd try that one first. Well, this might be the last one I test, but see how it goes. May try another prop, don't know. Right, I have to say I'm not recharging the batteries just because of the hassle of having to charge 2 batteries, and so you know the voltage is dropping a little bit on the batteries, but let's test this one, see how it goes. Ooh. Made a slightly funny noise then. So 45 amps. 845 watts. Ooh, that made that quite hot. So he's saying, well, it's 46 a second ago. It's 45. So it's dropping, but I'm not saying that was dropping, but that was a quick blast, and that got pretty hot then. It feels pretty hot. So Yeah, it's a bit dodgy. Trying it on 6Ls, but seems to run on it. It's going to get pretty hot though. So I think, I don't know if there's any other quad props out there that you could use, say that you've got clockwise and counterclockwise. So if you're going to run, if you try running 6Ls, if for some reason, I don't know, use the GEMFAN carbon reinforced nylon props, and you can use that one, or if you're putting it in a plane, like I probably will be, try the TGS 4.1 by 4.1 props. Don't know if that will focus on there, but I've got too much in the background. Nope, don't want to focus. Anyway, that's for 4.1 by 4.1. So that was the EMAX. What was it? RS2306, 2750 kV, and I ran that on 6Ls. So anyway, I think that's it for this motor test of the week. It's quite a long one, this one. I don't know if you saw my HobbyKing delivery the other week, so I got more props to try, so I was trying a few more different props there, along with the usual ones. So it's quite good collection of props to test there, and I think that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please give us a like, and I'll see you again next week on Motor Test of the Week. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching.